Hey everybody, it's Gina from Carver Distillery, whipping up some gorgeous springtime cocktails at South Lyndale. Let's create a bee's knees with our very delicious barrel gin. Take 2 ounces of barrel gin. We're going to take 3/4 of an ounce of honey simple syrup and 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We are adding our ice, shaking up, getting it all chilled and diluted. This one is amazing. For those of you that love gin, you must try this J. Carver Barrel Gin. We call it our Whiskey Lover's Gin. Bee's Knees. Double strain into a martini glass. And we are just going to finish up with oils from the lemon peel. Enjoy.